But do try and delay the salary talk until you have an offer. Do ask intelligent questions about the job, company, or industry. Don't ever ask any questions. It shows lack of. Don't ever not ask questions. It shows lack of interest. Do close the interview by telling interviewers that you want the job and not asking about the next step in the process. Do try to get business cards from each person you interviewed with, or at least the correct spelling of their first and last names. And don't make assumptions or simple names. By simple names, get the spelling. Do immediately take down notes after the interview concludes so you don't forget crucial details. Do write your think through notes within 24 hours to let each person know, to each person who interviewed you, and do all the rules of the follow up after the interview.